Hey, my name's Justin, and this is The Art of Repair. And I think on accident, me and my friend discovered something quite interesting. Okay, so something super duper interesting happened while I was helping a buddy of mine. I'm sure you guys know who he is. His name's Viru. Super famous here in Shenzhen in Hong Kong, but that's beside the point. We're sitting here and we're working on his iPhone 7. Nothing crazy. We're not working on the board or anything like that. It was literally just a simple battery swap and a screen swap. We didn't do any serial number swapping or anything like that. He really just didn't even care. We were just doing it real quick just so we could, get about his day and get things taken care of. And everything went great. Everything went fantastic. Battery worked, screen looked great, fit really nice and perfect, got a nice tempered glass on there, and you'd think that would be the end of the story and there wouldn't really be anything interesting going on here. But it's the next day. The next day is when it got interesting, okay? And I'm sure you guys have plenty of stories about those next day customers, the ones that come back and they're like, rabble, 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 this, that, and the other with my phone. Well, this wasn't like that. I got a message on Facebook from Viru, and it was just a little video. And this video was just a video inside of his email, and it was a very interesting email because it was from Apple. Apple sent him an email, and it was asking about some of the specifics of the repair itself. And that's what's interesting. I can correlate here that since the serial numbers were not changed over and the phone was turned on and it realized the serial numbers had changed, that it informed Apple that the device had been repaired. And that's interesting because up until now, as far as I understand it, maybe this has been going on for a long time. Maybe nobody told me. Maybe I'm the idiot here. But I didn't know they were doing that. I didn't know they were tracking independent repair like that now. And that might be because of the new IRP program. I don't know. But the question I have for you is this happening with your clients? Are your clients also receiving surveys from Apple asking details about, maybe how things went, some of the specifics, if it was covered under any kind of protection plan or anything like that? Who knows? Maybe people will get different surveys than what Viru got. But the question is, are your customers getting Apple repair surveys after an independent repair? So I will include, I'm sure I've already included it in here, but I will put the original video that Viru sent me on here so you can see what he got and see if it matches anything that you got. And yeah, just leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the whole situation. Let me know if it's happening to you. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. All that stuff. What else? Notifications. You got to ding the little bell. That way you know every time I put out a video. That works out really well. That way you can leave comments every time telling me how I did, how you think I could do better, or just things that you want to talk about, maybe things that need to be brought to my attention. But other than that, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.